a list of the healthiest foods with no carbs and no sugars. If you want to lose weight, boost your energy and get healthy, it's important to lower the amount of carbohydrates that you eat. Junk foods high in processed carbs and refined sugars may contribute to inflammation and cause your liver to store more fat. But if you start to swap them out for the right foods, your body can begin burning fat more easily. So here's an up-to-date list of the healthiest foods with almost zero carbs or sugars within them. 1. Red meat. Begin by eating more high-quality grass-fed red meats like beef, lamb, venison or liver. These complete proteins contain no carbs or sugars within them, but they're loaded with blood-building iron and B12, which helps to build muscle, burn stored fat, and produce more energy. Beef is also rich in CLA, which supports fat metabolism. 2. Arugula. Organic arugula is one of the most nutrient-dense, non-starchy vegetables that you could eat. Unlike other leafy greens, arugula is rich in nitrates which support blood flow, helping you to feel more energized, especially when you're exercising or on a low carbohydrate diet. It's packed with folate, vitamin C, magnesium and potassium, which are all essential for your metabolism. Use arugula as the base of your daily salad, or you can lightly saute it with butter for a simple nutritious side dish. Food 3. Eggs. Eggs contain all the building blocks of life with almost zero carbs, yet they keep you energized and help to maintain stable blood sugar throughout the day. The yellow yolks are rich in choline and lecithin, which help your liver produce bile and support the breakdown of stored fat. They're rich in protein, amino acids, vitamins and minerals that support cell repair and growth. For best results, eat 2 to 4 pasture-raised eggs every day to stabilize blood sugar and keep cravings for junk foods at bay. 4. Chia seeds. Mix 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with water, yogurt or almond milk for a healthy, low-carbohydrate breakfast. Chia seeds may be tiny, but they're loaded with plant protein that helps to keep you full. Many people struggle to stay regular when they're starting a low-carb diet. However, chia seeds are rich in a gel-like soluble fiber which feeds friendly gut bacteria, helping to keep your digestion smooth and your bowel movements regular. 5. Cruciferous vegetables. Replace starchy carbs like potatoes, yams and rice with more nutrient-dense, non-starchy greens like cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, bok choy, Brussels sprouts and kale. These foods are densely packed with phytonutrients and sulfur that your liver uses to help flush out toxins. You need to eat these to meet your potassium and magnesium requirements. These are 2 essential minerals that play a vital role in lowering insulin resistance and supporting fat metabolism. 6. Butter. Grass-fed butter is one of the richest sources of retinol, the active form of vitamin A, which is essential for healthy skin, eyes and hair. Some people worry about butter and dairy because of its cholesterol, but cholesterol is actually needed to produce key hormones like testosterone, estrogen and cortisol, which all play a role in a healthy metabolism. For better nutrition, start cooking with real butter instead of inflammatory oils, and your bones will thank you for the extra calcium. Real butter also helps to release bile, which is important for digesting fats properly. Other dairy foods that also fit well in a low-carb diet include full-fat Greek yogurt, which is high in protein and beneficial for muscle maintenance. Kefir contains beneficial microbes that support gut health and digestion. And opt for grass-fed varieties of cheese like cheddar, mozzarella, camembert, brie, parmigiano or goat's cheese. Real cheese is rich in fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, K and K2, along with proteins and fatty acids that help support brain function and focus. Number 8 is salmon and oily fish. When you're following a low-carb diet, oily fish are some of the best natural sources of protein and omega-3 fatty acids that you could eat. Omega-3s from wild salmon, sardines, mackerel, anchovies and shellfish are used by your body to lower inflammation, helping to reverse any oxidative damage caused by eating sugary foods in the past. But stay away from the farmed fish if you can, as they contain antibiotics, synthetic food colorings and have a bad diet, making them lower in nutrients, so stick with wild-caught sources. 9. Fermented vegetables. If you've eaten junk foods for years and you experience bloating, gas or indigestion when you eat vegetables, you may benefit from starting with fermented vegetables instead, which are easier to digest. Sauerkraut, kimchi and fermented pickles are packed with beneficial probiotics. This makes them easier to digest because they support a healthy gut microbiome. These foods also contain natural enzymes that may help you to absorb more nutrients. 10. Low-carb nuts. Macadamia nuts, pecans and Brazil nuts are low in net carbs and high in soluble fiber, which can help to manage blood sugars. For a satisfying snack, you can mix these nuts together and enjoy a small handful after a meal. You could also chop them up and mix them with some sugar-free dark chocolate for a low-carb treat. These nuts will give you a lot of zinc, copper, selenium, monounsaturated fats and vitamin B1, which may all help you to stay satisfied and less likely to crave junk foods whilst you're on a diet. 11. Avocados and olive oil. Avocados are one of the best sources of healthy monounsaturated fats, keeping your cells fueled and energized, especially when you're cutting out the carbs or sugars. The green flesh of this fruit is rich in potassium, magnesium and avocatin B, all of which help to support hormone balance, reduce insulin resistance and assist with fat metabolism. Similarly, extra virgin olive oil is considered to be liquid gold when it comes to cooking because it's packed full of anti-inflammatory compounds like oleocanthal and oleuropein, which both support your liver. So go ahead and drizzle it over salads, cooked vegetables or meats. And then we have mushrooms. Mushrooms have been used in cuisines worldwide for centuries, not only for their delicious flavour, but also for their rich nutrient profile. White button, portobello, shiitake and oyster mushrooms are all low in carbs, yet they're packed with fibre, B vitamins and powerful antioxidants. For a nutrient boost, try adding them to stir fries, soups or sautéing them in a little butter. And let's not forget herbs. To support your health and your weight loss goals, start adding freshly chopped herbs to your meals. Mint, basil, parsley, oregano, cilantro, dill, rosemary and thyme are all excellent low-carb options. These contain zero starches, but they're packed full with healing antioxidants that help to support digestion and balance blood sugars. And don't forget to season your meals with low-carb spices as well. Turmeric, clove, cinnamon, coriander seeds, black pepper, cardamom, ginger and cayenne pepper. Spices like these are loaded with beneficial plant compounds that support the natural function of your liver, pancreas and digestive system. Spices do contain a tiny amount of carbs, but you don't need much of them to enjoy the flavour and the benefits. And for even better results, consider drinking apple cider vinegar before you go to bed. Tap on the video on screen now for more information on this remedy. And thank you so much for watching another of my videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.